Welcome back, guys, to another YouTube video. And today I'm going to be doing a tutorial video which I haven't done in quite a while, and this one is how to make a cool logo. So yeah, let's get into it. Step one, you have to download SuperMe. SuperMe is with this app where you can create characters, and this is my account with SuperMe. So you press boy or girl, because I don't know what gender you are, and then you can create your character. You can do it any way you want, like any style. So if you're on face and you don't know how to change color, just press color and you can change it to whatever you want. I'm just gonna do that. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna do random. And then you choose whatever hairstyles. You can scroll down, find whatever hairstyle you want, and then you choose like the back part of your hair, faces. If you don't want faces, you just want your own version of eyes and stuff, then you do that. I'm just going to choose random stuff. And so I'm using this as a demonstration. So you do a bunch of things on here, and you can choose what you wear too. That's the cool thing about it. And you can also make sure you have a transparent background though. You have to have a transparent background. And you can do this if you want. You can do finger things if you want. But after that, you press this little save button right here, and you press save. After saving it, you want to go to Pixar. I think last time I went to Google to do it because it might require Google and Pixar. So first I'm gonna look up triangle. After looking it up, find what triangle you want and save it to your phone. After saving it to your phone, you're probably like, this is a triangle I want, but it's not the color that I want. I'm gonna fix that for you. So after you have it saved, I'm gonna put mine in here. So after you have yours saved, go to cancel. Go to God darn it. Get the shape first. Make sure the background's transparent too. So make sure you look up transparent background. After having a transparent background, what do you know? First, get a background that you want. At this point, I just want this background. Then go to add photo, and add the transparent version. Make sure you have the transparent version. If you don't have a transparent triangle and you don't know how to find one, just go to, just get background eraser and you just erase the background. After fitting this the way you want, apply, and then press add photo again, and make sure your person has a transparent background so it looks like this. So after you do that, go to draw. Go to draw, and you're probably like, wait, are you supposed to draw things in here? Well, there's different things you can do. There's a different thing you can do too. If you press on these little shapes at the bottom, you're going to use a shape. I chose this shape, but make sure it's the same color as this background right here. After choosing it, stretch it along the screen and it will come out. After stretching along, you can make it as long as you want, and this is where your name will be going. So after shaping this up just the way you want, apply it right here. After applying it right here, you can apply it anywhere you want actually. I just like doing it right there. After applying it, go to text, type in whatever text you want. I'm just gonna put my name in, and then fit it in and make it whatever color you want. And this is how mine turned out to look like. If you use this method to make a logo, then leave in the comments down below. And if this helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. and see you on the next one. Peace.